Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Faizati. My age and my metric number is 284858, and I want to present about transportation model. First is transportation model characteristic. First is a product is transported from a number of sources to a number of destinations at the minimum possible cost. Each source is able to supply fixed number of units of the product, and each destination has a fixed demand for the product. The linear programming model has constraints for supply at each source and demand at each destination. All constraints are equalities in a balanced transportation model will supply equal demands. And last constraint contains inequalities in unbalanced model where supply does not equal demand. Next is LP model. First is decision variables. In the context of linear programming, these variables represent the quantities to be decided or chosen to achieve the best outcome. They are typically denoted by symbol, and their value what the optimization process aim to find. Second is objective function. It is a linear function of the decision variables. The goal is to easily maximize or minimize the objective function by adjusting the value of the decision variable within the specific constraint. And the last one is constraint equation. These constraints are linear equation or inequalities that define the feasible set of solutions. Next is initial problem solutions. First is Northwest Corner method. Northwest Corner method is an algorithm used for finding an initial feasible solution for the transportation problem. In linear programming, the transportation problem involves minimizing the cost of transporting goods from several suppliers to several consumers. Second is the Vogel approximation method. VAM is an algorithm used to find an initial feasible solution for the transportation problem in linear programming. Similar to the Northwest Corner method, aim to allocate shipment from supplier to consumer while minimizing transportation costs. And the last one is optimal solution. The first is stepping stone. Stepping stone method is an iterative technique used to improve an initial feasible solution. It helps in finding an optimal solution by evaluating the impact of moving units between different cells in the transportation matrix. Here a brief overview of how the stepping stone method works. First is initial feasible solution. Start with an initial feasible solution obtained using method like Northwest Corner or Vogel approximation, and then evaluate empty cell, then determine path, evaluate improvement, select best improvement, and the last repeat, and which is continue this process until no further improvement is possible or until an optimal solution is reached. And the last one is MODI. That's all from me. Thank you.